Hello and welcome YouTube. This is Stephen Mel 13. Thank you very much for all the emails that you've been sending me, the subscribes I've been getting. I hope to get those up very fast and start giving away some free cards. Anyway, I'm going to be doing another box of 2010 Panini plates and patches. As you know, there's only one pack in here plus the encase card, so it's going to be very fast. And I will have these up on eBay very shortly. I'll have the link in my description so you could check it out there. And we're going to do the encase card last. This one's being a little difficult. There we go. Alright, so I put the case card to the side. And we got an Andre Johnson base card. And that's going to be numbered to 499. Gonna go to the back base, Ryan Fitzpatrick. That's also to 499. Lee Evans for the Bills. That's gonna be numbered out of 100. And we have a Chad Henne City Limits. And that's out of 299. Autograph, Garrett Graham. We got a platinum in there. We got two platinums. So let's go to our autograph patch. Marcus Easley, 3-color autograph, and that's numbered to 699. The Garrett Graham is numbered to 449. And a Jermaine Gresham 2-color patch, and that is numbered to 25. And our last hit, oh, that's very nice, a 3-color Adrian Peterson City Limits 3-color patch, and that is numbered to 50, number 48 of 50. That would have been much nicer if that 4 was a 2, but still a very nice 3-color patch, Adrian Peterson. That one I do know somebody who's going to be interested in it, so if I could work something out with him, it's going to go to him. Now for my encased autograph. Looks like a Cowboy. It is. It's Sean Lee. Oh no, Romo. Tony Romo autograph. Very nice. 2-color patch Tony Romo autograph. That's number 5 of 5. Very nice hit. The same guy who likes the Peterson also might take this. If not, I do have somebody in Texas that I deal with all the time. Very nice hit and very happy. Another very good box. So I'm 2 for 2 on the boxes of this product. And I was thinking before I bought it that I wasn't going to enjoy this product and that it was going to be basically throwing money away, and obviously it's not. Well everyone, thanks for watching. As I said, keep a lookout for whatever I do decide to put up on eBay, and until next time.